you're looking for a great book to read now that we haven't gotten super deep into the new year and you want something to just kick you off right as, we get deep into 2024, highly recommend that you check this out. It's a great read. I've really been enjoying reading it throughout January. We have a lot to get through today. First things first, I need to fix my eyelashes. I'm sure you can see right now they do need some help. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably have seen my homemaking ins for 2024. There was a trend going on social media where people post their ins and outs. One of my ins for 2024 is stockpiling. So I've always been the kind of person that I'll buy 2 or 3 things at the same time, but this year I really want to build a stockpile of things that are going to last me way into the year, so that I'm not going to the grocery store unnecessarily, because when I go to the grocery store I'm going to spend more than I need to spend. So I've already started doing that, building a stockpile for food, household items, toiletries, and right now they're all just in the basement, so I need to organize them and put everything in its place. I also want to organize my workspace. It's kind of a mess, not kind of, it is a mess right now, so I just need to put some sort of structure and organize it so that I can work and think with a clear headspace as we get into the new month. At some point, I also need to make time to just reflect on January and strategize for February. Watched a couple of my videos. You know how I'm always stressing about taking your career into your own hands and doing what you need to do to make sure you have a successful career and not leaving it to chance. And so I do hold myself to that standard as well. I need to put in the address. Where is the address? Where's the address? Okay, got it. Okay, where is my Waze app? This is what happens when you hardly drive. Like, I hardly drive. I'm always like trying to bully my husband into taking me places. Okay, got it. Okay, so it's 9 minutes away. That's what Waze says. So I'm just gonna be like 5 minutes late. I hope she's not upset. I lay my life down at your feet for your use. Come purify my heart, clean out my mind, so I can live a life that's beautiful. How has the year started off for you guys? Let me know in the comments. How is 2024 going? I think for me it started off pretty slow, and that is by design. I'm typically like a go person when the year starts. This year I was just like, you know what, I just want to chill, take things slow, and I'm not rushing anyway. I was just like, let's just go with the flow. So I did set some goals for myself for the year, and nothing like overly ambitious or anything like super hardcore. I just want to enjoy my life. I want to live in the moment. I want to be present this year in everything that I'm doing. So I've just been taking everything at a moderate pace, and honestly, so far so good. No complaints whatsoever. I'm realizing that I can't see clearly, only to then figure out that my glasses are actually on my laps and not on my face. You know how to do this on your own face?
No. Then you can put your camera in the ring light.
Lashes are done. I want to head to a store. I need to check for, I'm looking for an airtight container to put like because I was telling you guys that I started stockpiling, and so for some of the things that I have gotten in bulk, like flour, grains, I bought like the big sizes, so I basically need an airtight container to put things that I have opened so that it doesn't go bad, essentially. All for your kingdom, all for your glory. I don't think they have what I'm looking for. They have containers that are big enough, but I'm not seeing anything that's airtight. I need something that's like solid airtight. So I'm just gonna leave, probably check Walmart or end up getting something on Amazon. So I'm back home and I thought I'd get immediately into just like reviewing my January, setting a strategy for February before I get tired and feel lazy. I just thought, let me get that out of the way. So I'm going to be using my career planning workbook. I've been using this for the past few years. I love that it breaks down everything for me. The work is done for me. I just need to fill in the prompts and easy. January was actually a very good month, if I should say so myself. I'm really proud of what I did in January. I had like an amazing launch of something that I was working on for the past few months towards the end of last year. Finally launched it in January, and amazing, amazing, amazing. Something that has impact on the entire organization, and I'm really proud of myself. Ugh. Okay, let's talk about February. I'm just gonna spend some minutes jotting down what I wanna focus on for February. I'm pretty much done. It's all looking very exciting. I'll share one with you. The most exciting goal I have is with regards to my learning, my personal development. You guys know I'm always stressing the importance of upskilling and just like working on yourself to increase your competitive edge and advantage. I want to take a data course. Now, this is going to be a stretch for me and I love it. I'm not a numbers person, graphs, tables, calculations, that's not my thing. There's a reason why I work in the creative space. I don't like numbers, but I think this is going to be good for me. It's going to challenge me. It's going to help me think out of the box. I want to take a data course that's related to storytelling. So how to tell stories using data. I think that would be a really interesting type of course to take for my current role in communications. It's something different, you know, it's kind of leading me into tech, but it's still tied to my current role. And I do still love my current role. I want to stay in my current role, but I just want to learn something new, something different. And I think that's a perfect match. I wanna live a life that is poured out for you. A life that pleases you, a life that honors you in all that I do. I need somewhere to put some of my random things. So I'm trying to decide between this tray right here and this container. Ooh, I wanna walk away from those things that pull me away from your presence. Jesus, I want nothing to do with that. Help me have nothing to do with. So all I wanna do is bring you glory and honor. I got this dry erase calendar or board and I haven't set it up yet, so I want to do that now. This is part of how I'm gonna stay organized and on track this year. Let's put this together. It's all for you, not me. It's more of you, less of me. All for your kingdom, all for your kingdom. I finally got done with everything. I'm super proud of myself. Let's call it a productive day. It's later on and Hubs and I are just heading out for a quick errand. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you've watched till this point, definitely leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one.